Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a reel, okay, on Instagram. And since, you know, I do crafts and arts, this particular reel is going to be of my crafts. So if you're not familiar what a reel is, it is basically a short little video that you can get really creative with on Instagram. It's basically like a TikTok, I would say. So if you're familiar with TikToks, then you know exactly what I mean. So I'm going to be using Snapchat to record and edit some of my videos. So I kind of have it mapped out on how I want my reel to look. So I want to start off by showcasing this Coco and Reno bag because I'm going to be showing their dyes. So I'm going to go ahead and record a clip on Instagram, okay? So I'm going to start up on top and then slowly move down to show the Coco and Reno. Okay, so there is... Start up on top. Let me turn the mute off. Let me mute the video. So you can see that's our video. Okay, and I'm going to hit save. And the next footage is to show the dyes. All right, so I want to show... This is exactly how I want my reel. You guys can create it how you want it. Be creative. This is just how I'm envisioning mine, okay? Let me move this. So, I'm going to go ahead and put all the dyes here from Coco and Reno because I'm showcasing the new December dyes, which I love. And then I'm going to go ahead and use Snapchat again, and I'm going to do a clip. I'm going to add a filter. All right. I like this filter. I'm going to turn my flash on. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to record just a quick clip of all of the dyes so you can kind of see each of the dyes. Okay? Just a quick clip. So I'll mute that and I'll edit it on here. So let me just look at it. Okay, so I like that like that. I'm going to save it. All right? The next clip, I want to like kind of snap or something and then reveal my rosettes. So I'm going to do a video of me snapping. So there's a clip. And I'm going to turn that sound off because I hear Ava in the background. And I'm going to save that. And now I'm going to reveal my projects, which are these beautiful rosettes that we created on the live. Okay, so I'm going to kind of place them how I want them. Kind of put it where you want it. This one here. And then this one. Okay. So I'm going to put it how I want it, really cute. Again, you guys can be creative on how you do your videos. This is just an example to get you guys started. I'm making these reels. So I have my rosettes arranged the way I want it. I'm using Snapchat again, and I'm going to do a clip of all the rosettes. I want to show each and every one in detail. All right, I'm going to mute that. That's the filter, guys. So I'm looking at the video. And I think I like that. Let me see if I can slow it down and see how it looks. That's what I like about Snapchat, is that you can like slow it down and speed it up. I don't see where you can do that on Instagram. So I think I like that, so I'll save that. And in case I don't like that, I'll go ahead and I'll take the slow motion off and have it on the regular right there. Okay? So I'll save that as well. Now all my videos are saved. So now from here, you're going to go ahead and go to Instagram. And this is your home page here. So you're going to swipe to the right, like so, and you're revealed with this, okay? On the bottom here, you have different things. You can do a post, you can make a story, you can do a reel. Now, the difference between a story and a reel, a story is kind of like Snapchat where it'll show on the top here for 24 hours. A reel is what we want to make. It's a short video clip, okay? So here, on my particular device, you can choose to do 15 seconds or 30-second reel. I'm going to do a 30-second one just because if I do a 15 and it runs over, I won't be able to fit it, okay? So just to give you an overview, you can kind of, you can record on here. You don't have to use Snapchat. And if you do decide to record, you just would like turn this on for the flash. And you would press here, hold this down to record, okay? This is for the settings. They have different settings here. You guys can look through those and see what that's about. And then we have the X in case you want to exit out, okay? We're going to go back to it. You have audio where you can add music. So you can search music. You have this where you can like zoom in or out. You have this where you can use different filters. Okay, we're not going to use that. And then you have this timer where you can time it. So I have everything pre-recorded, right? So down here in this little square is where all of my videos are. So I'm going to click that. And this is going to reveal all of my clips, right? So my first clip that I want to show is the bag. So I'm going to add it. Go back here to the square to pick another clip. Then I want to show the dies. I'm going to add it. Okay, go back to the clips. I'm going to go to where I'm snapping and I'm going to add it. Okay. Then I'm going to go to the dies. So we'll try the slow motion one and see how it looks. And I'm going to add that. All right. So right here on top, you see this. All of our time is completely filled. There's nothing left over. It's all the way to the end. It probably even cut it off if it's longer than 30 seconds, okay? If it was less, like let's say if it stopped here, you would only see this color till here, okay? So, in order to watch my clip, I'm going to go ahead and press this arrow going forward, okay? You can go backwards to edit each clip, okay? So let's go ahead and edit it. And with the edit, you have the option to delete the clip or to trim it, okay? And it'll show you which one of your footages that you're editing. You can click on each one to edit each individual one. So let's start at the first one. All right, this is the Coco Merino bag. I want to edit that. I'm gonna hit the scissors to trim it, okay? So I kind of want to start it like here, and then I want to stop it there. So there goes the bag. You can even go back like that. So I like that. I'm going to hit trim, okay? Now I'm going to go to the second clip, and we're going to trim or edit this. If you're fine with it, you just leave it alone. I'm going to trim it about there. Start the footage. Alright, and I'm going to cut it right there, okay? So you guys can edit it however you like. This is just how I'm going to do mine. I'm going to hit trim. I'm going to go to the next clip where I'm snapping it, and I'm going to edit that, okay? Because I just want it to be where I'm just like snapping, and then I stop. So this is where, okay, there's a snap, and then I'm going to stop. Okay? That's what I want. So I'm going to hit trim. And then I'm going to go to the rosettes. And I'm just watching it to see how I like it. So now you can see, since I edited it, there's still time left. I could add another clip if I'd like to. Alright, so let's see. Now let's say I want to add another clip, right? I would hit done. And I will go down here to our photos. And I would add that clip, let's say. Okay, add. And then now I can review my video. The way that you can review it is by hitting this arrow here to go forward. And here is our reel. So I'm just checking it out to see if I like it. And I'm not liking the slow motion. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to edit that, okay? So to go back, I'm going to hit the arrow. And I'm going to hit the back button. It's going to show all of my clips. I'm going to the one where it's going slow. And I don't like it, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, discard. So now I'm going to watch my video. Hit done. And let's see how that looks. Alright. So, does that even show all of them? Let me see. Let's go back. And you hit the back button to reveal each of the... I just want to make sure it shows every single one of my rosettes. No, it cuts it off for some reason. So let's delete that. And I'm going to go back to Snapchat. Because I don't like how that looks. So it's kind of a process. You know, you want to get the look that you're looking for. You just kind of, as long as you know the basics, what I'm showing you, what each button means and how to like go back and all that, then you're good. So I'm going to re-record this clip. So I'm going to do my clip like this. So I'm just recording my footage that I want. No. Let's see. So I'm gonna record. Oh my goodness, that's the filter. Let me see. I'm just gonna record all of my rosettes. For some reason it didn't look right. Alright, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna save it. Now I'm gonna go back into Instagram. And this is just how I do it, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add that clip. So I'm gonna click on it and add it. Add. Okay. So now I want to see how my video looks with that clip. I'm going to hit the fast forward. And it's showing me my entire clip. Alright, so I think that I like the way that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the back button because I want to add some music. I'm going to type in royalty free Christmas. Hopefully I won't get monetized for this. And you can click on it, it'll give you a preview. I do not like that one. So again, go into audio, search music, royalty, and you can click whatever kind of song you want. Let's try this one. So I'll just go with that one. And I'm going to preview my video, guys. So to preview it, you're going to hit the forward. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with how that looks. So I'm going to hit share to. And this is where you're going to share it. So you can write a caption. I'm going to caption it new Coco I'm sorry if you guys can hear my kids. They know I'm recording. New Coco and Reno December dies. Okay. And you can pick a cover. Click on this to pick your cover. I like that one as a cover. I think that's a cute cover. Where'd it go? Right there. So I'm going to hit done. And then I'm going to go ahead and share this. Okay. And I'm going to hit share. And it's going to share my video. Look at Lana's cute little embellishments. Very cute, Lana. Alright, so now it's posted. You can watch reels here. And there's your reel, guys. Okay, so hopefully this helps you guys. Anyone who's like does not know how to do a reel, I know that it's like really, it's kind of a lot of information or whatever, but you guys can do it. So I hope that this I don't know, kind of inspires you to create your own reels. So I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.